What's up, everybody? It's JD with CPE, and I'm coming to you today with another product focus. We're going to be talking about the xFlex Stage 2 rear motor mount for the Focus RS. So without further ado, roll intro. All right, so here you see is your OEM motor mount. This is one of three on the Focus RS. You've got two mounts on the side and one that's on the rear. The two on the side kind of handle your lateral motion. The one on the rear is designed to handle the pendulum effect of the engine rotating under torque. You'll notice that it's got 2 points where there's bushings. First, you have a large wafer style bushing that mounts to the chassis. And then you have this mount that bolts to the transmission. You have a smaller style bushing here. There's two directions in which this mount can move and allow for rotation in your vehicle. Let's take a look at our mount. Get all framed up nice here for you guys to see. So the first thing I want you to notice about our mount is we've eliminated this large wafer style bushing. This is actually one solid piece of aluminum. Both pieces are actually machined from a 17-pound block of aluminum individually into their current fluid. So in our redesign, where we isolated this down into no bushing in this particular part of the mount that mounts to the chassis and just having the bushing located here, is that it removes one of the potential directions that motion and forces can be transferred into the chassis. By eliminating it down into one particular vertice, one direction, we have better control of the pendulum effect that happens when you apply throttle. The engine makes torque and starts to rotate in your engine bay. Outside of these design changes that we made in regards to making an individual plane of motion that we're controlling with the mount, I want you to also take notice of the fact that we use OEM style EPDM for our mount material. Using that instead of polyurethane, which has a temperature point of about 200 degrees where it starts to break down and fail, using that, particularly with where this mount is located, allows us, one, to keep our durometer low so we can keep NVH under control, and this makes for a better, longer lasting product. To sum it all up, with the use of EPDM and the bushing, the redesign of the mount to really truly control the motion of the engine and the chassis, we're proud of what we've created. That's the best way I know how to put it. So I want to thank you guys for checking out the video. I want to say, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Reach over there and hit the subscription button. And also don't forget to hit that bell so you can catch notifications for as soon as we release new content. Again, thank you. And I look forward to sharing more content with you in the future. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.